In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your address on the eBay app. Whether you've recently moved or simply need to correct some information, updating your address ensures that your purchases arrive at the right place and your billing details remain accurate. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, grab your smartphone and let's open the eBay app. Once the app is open, you'll want to log in with your credentials if you're not already logged in. Your username and password should be entered carefully to avoid any access issues. Logging in will bring you to your main account page, the hub of all your eBay activities. Next, you'll need to navigate to the menu. Look for the menu icon on the app. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines and can typically be found in the upper left or lower right corner of the screen, depending on your device. Once you've tapped on the menu icon, a list of options will appear. From this list, scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. This will lead you to a variety of settings related to your account. In the Settings menu, the focus will be on updating your address, so we need to head over to Account Settings. It's here that you'll find the Addresses section, where your current shipping and billing addresses are displayed. Tapping on Addresses will take you to a page dedicated to managing these crucial aspects of your eBay account. On this Addresses page, you have the choice to review and modify either your shipping or billing address. If you've moved recently or if your billing address has changed, it's essential to update this information to ensure everything's up to date. Tap on the address you wish to change. You'll see options to edit the details, and you can input your new address here. This includes your street address, city, state, zip code, and any other relevant information needed to define your new location accurately. After you've entered your new information, take a moment to double check that everything is correct. It's easy to mistype numbers or letters, and accuracy is key to ensuring your packages reach the right doorstep. Once you're confident that all the new details are correct, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top corner of the page. Tapping this will update your addresses on the eBay system. Doing so will not only store your new details, but also ensure that future transactions use this updated information. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your address on the eBay app. Before exiting, I'd recommend doing a quick test to make sure the changes are reflected. You can do this by revisiting the Addresses section to confirm that your new address information is displayed correctly. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and happy eBaying.